Alright, it has been a pretty big gap since I've done any work, but a lot has happened and today is a big day. We're going to try to get this engine and transmission into the wagon. So for now I'll just show you what I've done and what I'm about to do. So the engine has been taken off of the engine stand. When it was on the engine stand, I went ahead and installed the complete engine harness, all the accessories. And then when I took it off the engine stand, I went ahead and installed the flywheel, clutch, and pressure plate. Got it all torqued down. And the exhaust manifolds have been installed with the protective heat shield. So everything is ready to go on the engine side. Transmission, I did some work today on it. Went ahead, so before I've changed out the springs, the D10 springs in it earlier. But I also needed to change out this shift shaft seal, so I changed that out. Also changed out a new temperature sensor right there. And then I changed out the O-ring on that gear position sensor. Or whatever that sensor is. And then I've also topped it off with 2 quarts of liquid moly ATF. So it is full. New throwout bearing and all that stuff has been installed, and the input shaft is lubed up and ready to go. So I have this ready to mount on it, so I will come back when I have it reassembled. You gotta push it hard. Should I go ahead and adjust this so that this front end is higher?
Oh, well, yeah, I guess. Is the camera running?
Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep, so it's just the transmission needs to come up.
Yep, I can do that later after this melt's gone. After the thing's gone.
I'm surprised this hook
Lasts as long as it does?
Yeah, because this, I was swear that this hook would have bent.
Cheap Chinese metal came through. They don't call it Chinesium for nothing.
Hook to that.
still recording?
Yes.
Still recording. All right. Went ahead and got the engine in. So very good progress. We did a time lapse, so I'll show that a little bit. Not even a time lapse, just a video, and I'll speed it up later. But sorry, I'm starting to get sick. Here, let's take a look at the engine. Here we go. There we go. It is in 38 minutes from start to finish of actually doing the motor process. We killed a lot of time trying to do all the SMG lines and pump and all that stuff, but we got it in. So I would say that is pretty good progress. Looks good in there. All right, so hopefully I'll be back with some more updates.